Good morning. I'm William Stimaveli from India. Innovative Authors International Forum. The bookshelf. When I say the bookshelf contains many books, many authors, fantastic writings as well. Now, today is an important day, at least for me, because today is the 28th death anniversary of my favorite author from Malayalam literature, Beppoor Sultan, otherwise Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. My tribute, my homage to the great Malayalam writer, author, novelist, a humanitarian, Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. In the Malayalam literature field, the legend Vaikom Muhammad Bashir owns a remarkable position. With his profound and simple writing, a touch of satire, sarcasm and black humor, Muhammad Bashir had woven a style of his own and marked his powerful presence as a short story writer, novelist, humanist, and also as a freedom fighter for India. Born in Talayolaparam, a village in Kottayam district in Kerala, as the eldest child of a timber businessman, Vaikom Muhammad Bashir, even from his own childhood days, was much attracted to Gandhian thoughts or simple ideologies which is to be followed in his own life or in everybody's life. He participated in freedom struggles and was imprisoned, which also inspired his writings. The famous book titled Mathilugal, in which Mammootty, the megastar Mammootty of Malayalam movie, enacted in a strong character. It was directed by famous movie maker Adur Gopalakrishnan sir. I remember Mathilugal means fence, and this book was inspired for him to write it while he was in the jail. He was imprisoned, which also inspired his many writings. This is a classic of Bashir, earned much reputation in Indian literature. Translations of his works have won worldwide acclaim. The major literary contributions of his artistic genius, creative work include Pattummayude Aadu, the god of the sheep of Pattumma or the god of Pattumma, Balyakala Sakhi, Mathilugal, Premaleganam, Anarga Nimishangal. These are the famous books penned by Beppoor Sultan. He is called as Beppoor Sultan. Fondly known as Beppoor Sultan, Vaikom Muhammad Bashir is an unparalleled genius in the selection of themes, characterization and narration, focusing Malayalam language, I mean to say simple language. The simple language he has inherited from his own simple life. Love, humanity, poverty and harsh realities of life all find their place in his creative works such as Mathilugal and Premaleganam and Pattummayude Aadu and for like that. The humorous romance Premaleganam that narrated the tale of love between Kesavan Nair, a character, an upper caste Hindu, and Sarama, an unemployed Christian woman, marked the beginning of his literary career. Vaikam Muhammad Bashir was honored with the Padma Shri in 1982. He bagged the Sahitya Academy Award in 1970 and Kendra Sahitya Academy or Central Literary Academy Award in 1982. This unique, cheerful intellectual or intellect is the rarest of the rare kind who revolutionized Malayalam literature and took it to a whole new level. To be very honest with you all people, the new generation and the old generation, there is no gap between old and new. Old is always gold, and we never say new is not old, gold. New also can define as gold later, but years after, not now. Even after 27 years, Vaikam Muhammad Bashir's or Bepur Sultan's death anniversary is remembered by many Keralites, many Indians, many literary oriented people around the globe. I offer my homage, my tribute to the great Malayalam author Vaikam Muhammad Bashir, just being a humble literary loving person from India. Williams G. Maveli signing off with all my love and regards to all those who are writing. If you happen to visit Kerala Sahitya Academy situated in Trichur, in the cultural capital of Kerala, you will find Vaikam Muhammad Bashir's photograph framed as a matter of respect to that great man. Believe me, you write always as yourself. And especially, I have a request to Facebook friends. Please understand, real literature is from the old generation, and try to read and understand all what is the old ones, maybe from famous writers. I don't want to say a particular writer, but you don't get what you call attracted with temporary fascinations. You see, go and study literature and make use of it for your upcoming life in literature. That's all for today. Signing off, Williams G. Maveli. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed Monday to all. Monday is an auspicious day. That's all to today. Signing off, Williams G. Maveli. Love to all, bye to all. Salute to Bepur Sultan, Vaikam Muhammad Bashir.